can see in the right corner of the FactoryTalk View Studio, Window Explorer, Toolbar and Property Panel. These three property. In the toolbar, now I will explain what is the toolbar. And diagnostic list. Here we can see diagnostic. Error when you compile the project. So you can see here any error and warning. So simply if you want to remove, so if you right now if you want do not want, so you can simply click on diagnostic list. Now you can see now it is not visible. Again click select diagnostic list, and also you can select from here close and window position, floating, auto hide. Select diagnostic, you can see auto hide, off auto hide. Next setting. So in the setting security runtime setting, and also you can see runtime secure command. So runtime security setting, I will explain one by one, step by step, all tool and how to use this, how to use security setting. Now right now I am not discussing on this topic. So tools in this tool you can see here diagnostic setup. You can set setup of the diagnostic, which is showing here, which is that is showing bottom of the FactoryTalk View bottom of the software. You can see bottom of the software. Destination, what will be showing here? FactoryTalk View diagnostic list, FactoryTalk View ME machine edition, audit trial, local log, ODBC data and message floating. So if you want to all error, so you can select here, select more than login, destination, configuration, message, routing. So you can select here setting, audit trial, operator, for operator audit trial, engineer, error, warning, information, also audit trial, developer, I want to error, I want to warning, I want to information, and also trial, audit, also secure, accept message from panel view plus device or more mobile view. Panel view plus device is a HMI of the Rockwell Automation. And audit trial, you can select from here. Audit trial is selected. ODBC data log, I want to ODBC local log, so you can select from here. ODBC, you can select developer, click apply and select OK. So when you are working on this project, so you can see here multiple time all diagnostic error. You can see modify panel view device, error, message, configuration, disable destination, disable FactoryTalk View, audit trial from receiving message, broadcast panel view plus mobile view. If you enable or disable any option, here you can see. So next is diagnostic viewer. It is a totally diagnostic viewer. So network edition or local station. You can see diagnostic viewer. It is a tool of the FactoryTalk View Studio, diagnostic viewer. You can see here when you build any change, you can see here all change. You can see in the FactoryTalk diagnostic viewer all change. You can save change, you can open change, you can save change, you can explore, refresh and configure property, print, So close. Here it is ask save, change or untitle. Click on S if you want. Error. So next, export policy. I want to tell you before starting learn FactoryTalk View Studio. So you want to read proper policy of the FactoryTalk View Studio. So you can easily export policy and you can easily read. Ex Tag export import wizard. It is a tool of the FactoryTalk View Studio by which we can easily export and import to import tag of the FactoryTalk View HMI tag. Application manager. It is application manager. Application manager I discuss in coming video. Application manager launch client I discussing some. It is a only overview. I am discussing one by one, step by steps, how to use, what is the use of these tools, how can you use, when use, and launch client means that run time of FactoryTalk View Studio. Language I already discussed. You can select and you can change language of the FactoryTalk View Studio. Change application language. Find and replace. You can find and replace. Find any tags and replace any from any other tags. By mistake you example by mistakes, it is a very good option of FactoryTalk View Studio SCADA and very easy tool. Cross reference, you can search any tag from cross reference. And option, so it is an option you can see here, graphic library location. It is a graphic library location. See, please note or ensure this location when you created, जब आप कोई भी create करेंगे, when you will create any display, graphic display, so your project graphic display will be saved this location. C drive, in the C drive user, in the user public, in the public document, RS view enterprise, SE means side edition, library. Also you can change from here location of the FactoryTalk View, location of the graphic library. See here, FactoryTalk directory connected, status connected, means status is connected of the FactoryTalk View directory computer. Setting, graphic of object setting, auto open property dialog box, means it is a property dialog box, automatically will be open. Object, global object. So I discussing global object. It is a very most important topic of the global object. And if you don't know about global object, so you cannot able to design SCADA on FactoryTalk View Studio.